This is the outlet. This drywall paint, and it is a switch and outlet. And when you take this switch and outlet, and when it is drywall, and I take this screw and let you tight your screws, and inside a screw electrical box, and right this screws, and then just tight your screw, and right it is tight, and then take it just take a nice take a drill, and then tight your screws and tight. Okay, okay. So next in the tight your screws. Okay. Okay, so next you do tight your other screws, and then tight your screw electrical box in the screw. Okay, so this is tight your screws, and then tight. Okay, so that is tight your screws into electrical box. Okay, so next you do, and then this is smart fit, and let's put your cover. Okay, you could going to put your cover back on there. This is the very nice, and we can take it this paper drywall switch and outlet.